Hello friends, in this video we'll learn world organization, some of the world organization and their headquarters. So here are these. So in this video we'll learn these four world organization and their headquarters. These four world organizations are UN Center for Human Settlement, UN International Children's Emergency Fund, UN Fund for Population Activities and UN Institute for Training and Research. All these four world organizations have their headquarters at New York. So the first thing is all these are related to UN. UN Center for Human Settlement, UN International Children's Emergency Fund, UN Fund of Population Activities and UN Institute for Training. UN and their headquarters at New York. So now how we can relate all these in one and we'll memorize that their headquarters are at New York. So we'll just take words from each of these each of these world organization. Like from UNCHS we are taking human, from UNICEF we are taking children's, population, training and research. And we'll link all these things. So let's try. Humans will have children. If they have more children, population will rise. Humans to children, and the population will rise. And for that training and research is needed. Human to children to population to training and research. Human to children to population to training and research. So all these will relate to each other. We'll make relation. We have made relation of all these four to each other, and from these we have the world organizations, and all these four have the headquarters in New York. So UN Center for Human Settlement, New York, UN International Children's Emergency Fund, New York, UN Fund for Population Activities, New York, UN Institute for Training and Research, New York, Human Settlement, New York, Children's Emergency Fund, New York, Population Activities, New York, and Training Research, New York. Thank you.